just to show you the garden in May. I think it's the 2nd of May today. There's the forget-me-nots and the little blue tub. They're pretty because they match the glazed pot. The lilies haven't come out yet. These are some of the plants that I've brought out of the greenhouse. So I've got my herbs and also the marigolds as well. They're doing quite well now. Lots of herbs in there. Chamomile at the top. That's my little chamomile lawn. Lettuce and dill. There's all sorts in there. Moving round to the pond. Well, I can't see any of the tadpoles. I think the blackbirds have eaten them. But look at my grasses. They're looking lovely, they are. And they're full of pollen. I do like those. And I've of course got the bluebells out still. Everything's coming on. Look at the hosta. That's lovely. Ranunculus. They're in flower, look. And on a dull day like today, it looks like sunshine. You see a tiny little beetle in one of them. Lovely. The acer. Lots of other plants. Coming round, we've got the ornamental grape. That's out. And you can just see the start of the little grapes. Inedible, but they look lovely. Little bug house there, look. Granny bonnets, they're starting to come out. Aquilegia, see the leaves here, and that'll be the granny bonnet. Looks like I've got a little poppy coming out there. That's if it doesn't get trod on. We'll see. I've put some sweet peas out with the sage. Lots of things coming out here. I've put my geraniums out. And there's quite a few bits and bobs in this wildflower one as well. Some more sweet peas in there. And some more in there as well. Looks like something's been digging again in the herbs, but what can you do? The blue periwinkle, that's out. Everything's really gone lush now. At the back there's the comfrey and it's got some flowers on it. There's the rusty bee. Looks like it's dwarfing the fruit tree, so I'll have to make sure that I keep things chopped back. The chamomile, the camellia has gone over now, but you can still see the bluebells and the white bells. And some more plants that I've potted up out of the greenhouse. This is the shamrock that my friend brought me back the seeds from Ireland, so very pleased with those. I've been chopping some things back, the heads, to get things to flower again. It's been quite cold. These are the irises that will grow out of the pond. They'll be lovely in yellow. I love the colour of the tops of the roses with the red. It's all coming on lovely. And we've got a wren, we think, nesting in the ivy. We've got quite a few nests in the garden, and the blue tits are coming in and out of this box. Looks like I've got some blossom on the apple tree. My copper beech has come out. It normally does this time of year. So that's all good. Just coming round my different grasses. The daisies, they're going to be lovely. Looks like honeysuckle's got flowers coming on it. That's this one here. There's the bog garden. And here's the meadow cranesbill. Look at that. So pretty. Meadow cranesbill, it's lovely. I've got a bee going in and out of a hole down here. I don't think I've got anything in this pond at the moment, frog-wise, but the parsley's come on lovely. And the fig's out, look, the fig tree. The bay tree's still got flowers on. This is the honeysuckle. I think we've got something nested up there. But look at the white bells and the bluebells in the middle of the town. But you wouldn't believe it, would you? Apart from the noise that you get of things going past, but it doesn't bother me. Herb Robert, that's this one, native wildflower. The daphne's starting to go over, that's been beautiful. The cherry tree is starting to fruit up a little bit now. The flowers have come off. That's the lords and ladies. Beautiful leaves they are. Look at those. The ferns at the back. The lilac. Another granny bonnet. Some ladies' bed straw in flower. Celandine's just starting to go over. Bluebells again. And wild garlic, the white flowers that have got bigger leaves, they're all wild garlic. That's a native. I've got some very tall alliums here, must be 4 foot tall. Can't wait for those to come out. Euphorbia, lovely lime green. Just look at that. It's lovely. Now, I did pull some of the nettles out. Looks like the carriers come out as well. That's this little flower. I did pull some of the nettles out, but look how they've gone. Of course, they have runners underneath the ground and they just go mad. I put them in for the butterflies, but I think I'll have to pull a few of them out. That's what you have to do. That's the state of play of the garden, and that's the red robin bush. It's inside the greenhouse.